Are you searching for the perfect power bank to charge your phone on the go? Let's explore the all-new EcoFlow Rapid Magnetic Power Bank. Let's start by checking out what's inside the box. Here you'll find an instruction manual, warranty card, and of course, the power bank. Rapid comes in two sizes, a slim and lightweight version in 5,000 milliamp hours and a more powerful 10,000 milliamp version with extra features. The 5K model is capable of charging an iPhone 16 one full time 0 to 100 and the 10K model up to 2 times. It also comes in 3 different colors, silver, black, and light blue, so you can personalize it to fit to your style. As the name suggests, Rapid power banks feature rapid recharge and charging speeds. And one of the coolest features is that it features wireless and wired charging. Rapid is specifically designed for the latest Qi 2 charging, delivering charging speeds up to 15 watts with your Qi 2 compatible devices. And you even get the MagSafe charging animation when it connects to the back. If speed is your priority, you can use wired charging through the USB-C port on the side, or even better, you can use the built-in USB-C cable. And the built-in cable is easily stored and tucked away when not in use. For wired charging, the 5K model can output up to 30 watts, and the 10K model can output up to 65 watts. Also, using PD 3.0, your iPhone can achieve maximum charging speeds using a wired connection, just like a wall outlet. You can charge your iPhone 16 Pro to 50% in just 26 minutes. The iPhone 16 series supports up to 45 watts of wired charging, so the 10K model can charge it at full speed, no problem. When it comes to recharging, Rapid can refill itself as the same as its output, up to 30 watts with the 5K and up to 65 with the 10K, using either the USB-C port or the built-in cable. And thanks to the patented Extreme technology, you can recharge up to 70% in just 33 minutes. That way you can quickly power up before you head out for your day. With its impressive output power and compatibility with wireless and wired charging, it's perfect for a wide range of devices. It's ideal for your Apple gadgets like AirPods, iPhones, MacBooks, and iPads. With a 13-inch MacBook, you can extend the runtime by up to 4 hours with the 5K version. It also supports Android devices like Samsung smartphones, Microsoft Surface tablets, plus game consoles like Steam Deck and the Switch OLED. Rapid can also act as a charging hub for multiple devices. You can charge your Rapid by simultaneously charging your iPhone and AirPods, which is super convenient when you travel. Now let's shift to external features and design. As you can see, it has a very sleek and slim profile, and both versions use super strong magnets. We integrated powerful N52 magnets for a strong connection, and the texture is very soft and anti-slip, so your Rapid connects effortlessly and stays in place and doesn't slide around when in use. Additionally, we have also integrated a stand in the back, which is perfect for upright viewing as well as side viewing. It's great for movie watching and video watching on the side horizontally, or you can flip it up vertically for FaceTime calls, reading ebooks, etc. In addition to the magnets and stand, both versions have a smart digital display. The 5K version has 4 dots to represent the remaining battery percentage, and the 10K version has more detailed info. When it's being recharged, the 10K version shows the exact battery percentage and estimated recharge time. You can also see the exact input and output while the 10K model is being recharged and while charging a device, which is super useful. The 10K model's display is even customizable in the EcoFlow app. You can create your own boot up animation and the characters directly to personalize it to you. On top of that, the app has some additional features. Once you connect the 10K model to the app via Bluetooth, you'll get insight to your power bank's performance, including voltage, current, power, and remaining battery life. You can also enable healthy charging mode for the 10K version using the app. The embedded temperature sensor inside monitors your phone's temperature in real time. So if it detects a rise in heat, Rapid will automatically reduce charging output to maintain a healthy temperature and battery life. And last but not least, you'll never have to worry about misplacing your Rapid. Just turn on Find My Device and the embedded buzzer will help you locate your Rapid in no time. Now, you may be wondering, which model should I go for? For the ultimate portability, the 5,000 milliamp hour version provides a slimmer design for excellent handheld comfort. If you need a higher capacity and want some additional features, the 10,000 milliamp hour version is the right choice. And remember, both models deliver exceptional fast charging for their size. If you are interested in Rapid, check out the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and drop any questions in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates and join our official Facebook club for more in-depth info and user feedback. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.